How to do it. Let me show you how to do it. Hi guys, so if you have a Lexus, this is specifically ES350, but this problem could come in any other Lexus models. If you have this button and they're not working, normally the way they work is you set up your settings, whatever, and then you hold on to set, and then you press on the other one together, right? So set, and then, for example, 2, and that will set up this number 2 settings. And then you can do set and then hold on to 1, and it's supposed to set memory in there. But if for some reason that's not working and you're not hearing the beeping sound, it's supposed to make a beeping sound. And if for some reason it's not working, it could be because of this one reason. So normally this thing is on both doors, passenger side and driver side, but it's the same module. Now, very much possible that the buttons inside, due to heat and humidity, get stuck. And if any one of these are stuck, none of them are going to work. So you have to disassemble it, clean it up. And most of the time, just disassembling it, putting it back together kind of works as well. So here I have the door panel removed. So you do have to remove the door panel to get to it. All right, so to remove the door panel, there are a few things that you need to do. There's one screw right there that you must remove. There's a screw on the back of this, so you have to remove this. You have to hold it from here, and you can pull it out with any prying tool. And there's a screw right behind it. There's also a screw right underneath this. This you can lift up right by lifting it right from here by hand or any plastic prying tool, and it'll pop right up. There are clips right here, so you make sure you don't break it. Just be gentle with it, and you'll see a bigger screw right there. This padding comes off as well. Again, there is another screw right over here. So again, it's just removable. It's not stuck or anything like that. It's very easily removable. A screw right there, and then there is a screw right here. So once you have this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 screws out, all you have to do is just pull the panel from the bottom, pull it towards you, and then you can push it upwards, and this has to be upwards. Now you can put the glass down or leave the glass up, doesn't really matter. I normally put it down so you have more room to grab it and stuff, and just push this door panel, pull it outwards and upwards, and it will come off right from here. So there are clips on these hinges. There are like 4 or 5 clips. There's definitely one right here that sometimes is hard to remove. So you just push it upwards and it should come right off. Just make sure you remove these 5 screws before you do that. And same thing goes for the other side as well. So let's go ahead and remove the panel and get it to work. This is not something that will pop out from here, at least in this particular model, because there's a lot of taps and stuff, and you definitely don't want to break it. So it's better to take off the entire door panel. And then over here on the back side, you can see there's the module, and the way it is, it's kind of like stuck in. So what you have to do is you have to pry out right from here and from here, and from here, 4 places. And you can do the front and then the back. So just take a screwdriver, flathead, stick it in, kind of wiggle it out, let one side out, and then the other side, kind of hold it, and eventually it'll come off like this. See this tap, one of them came out, and now you can just do it from here. And this I'm just doing it by fingernails, but see how it popped up. And then you can do the same thing over here, but it's a lot easier if you do it with your screwdriver, but I was able to do it by hand and it comes off pretty easy. Once you have it out, this is what you get right from here. These are the 3 buttons that you have, which push down to these. And if you lift this up, there's these connectors right there. So just take alcohol tab, and a napkin, and just kind of wipe it out, because this is supposed to make contact with this, and if this is dirty, it's not going to work too well. So just make sure you do that, and just remove all 3 of them and clean them the same way. And then putting it, just kind of goes in the reverse pattern the same way, and just kind of clips in. Just push it in and it'll clip in. And you can also just plug it in just like this and kind of try it out. You know, the outside button. This is going to be the bottom one is going to be the set, and these are 2 and 1. So you can test it out by taking it out as well. And in some cases, you know, this is the part number, so in case if you need to replace it, you can always replace it. All right, so we fixed it, and now I'm gonna go ahead and set mine. So set L1, and here you can hear the beep. And then I'm gonna do a setting 2, set L2. There you go. Now it's working good. And this is how you fix it. So hopefully you guys like the video. Guys, if you like it, please subscribe to my channel and like the video.